Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick 2025 tutorial I will show you how to reset your game data on Steam, whether you want a fresh start or just clear your progress completely. First of all, you just need to find the game. Here you just need to come to the library, and if you have a game, just click and choose the one. Then right click on the game and game's name, and then click to the properties like this one, and then click to the properties. Once you click over here, then here you will get this one element listing available. So when you're done, you just need to be delete local files. Like in the properties window, you just need to go to install files, and here you will find out the options called install. When you install this one, it is not installed for me, so here if I click over here install, it will be installed on my properties. So it will take a couple of minutes. So right now I don't want to install it, but let me give you an overview idea like about this. Like you just need to be go to the install files and click to the browser, and the open like this opens the game's local files folder. Now exit Steam completely and manually delete the save files or folders inside. The save files are usually in a saves or saved games folder, but it depends on the game. So if you want to be extra sure, you can uninstall and reinstall the game. Just right click the game into the library, choose manage, then uninstall. After that, reinstall it, and you will have clean site. And that's it, your game data is reset. If this helped, you hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.